week in class. So we started with the 2 turns for the lady, going basic. 1, 2, 3, left hand, 4, turn your partner. 5, 6, hand on shoulder, 7, tap 8. Turn her under again. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, basic, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic, stepping back with a prep. 1, 2, then back step 3, tap 4. Pizza hand with this right hand. Pull the lady behind you. 5, 6, right hand on shoulder, 7, 8. As soon as you get the right hand there, it moves to the other side. Move the right, 2, left, 3, 4. Guys, you'll drop the hands and you're gonna go under. Ladies, just leave the hands there, lift the elbows. 5, 6, 7, 8. And ladies, you can do a little booty roll while the guy does his neck rolls, whichever way he goes. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here come for the lady. And 1, 2, hand on the shoulder, 3, 4. Lead her to go down. Ladies, follow and go under. Come up, 7, tap 8. Basic, and you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody.